TP-Link wireless Powerline adapters, creating a Powerline network with seamless wireless roaming. In this video you will learn how to set up your TP-Link wireless Powerline adapters. Establishing a Powerline network is simple. Plug both Powerline adapters into an electrical wall socket. Connect the smaller unit to your router with the Ethernet cable provided. Press the pair button on the smallest adapter for 1 second. Press the pair button on the second device for 1 second. This step must be completed within 2 minutes to complete the Powerline network. While the adapters are connecting, the top two lights on both devices will flash. Please note this process could take up to 2 minutes to complete. The two Powerline adapters are successfully paired when the top two lights flash regularly. The Wi-Fi Clone function on the wireless Powerline adapter automatically copies your router's network name and password, so you experience seamless roaming. To create a seamless wireless network, press the WPS button on your router, press the Wi-Fi Clone button on the Powerline adapter and wait until it flashes rapidly. That's it, you have finished the Wi-Fi Clone process. If your router does not have a WPS button, please email support.uk@tp-link.com and include your name and contact number so we can contact you. If you already have a Powerline network and want to add more adapters, these instructions will demonstrate how it is done. Press and hold the pair button on the unit connected to the router for 1 second. Within 2 minutes, press and hold the pair button on the new Powerline adapter for 1 second. The devices will automatically connect. Please note that you can only pair 2 adapters at the same time. Each new adapter must be added separately. Then repeat the Wi-Fi Clone process using the WPS button on the router and the Wi-Fi Clone button on the adapter. For details of other wireless and network solutions in the TP-Link range, please visit uk.tp-link.com.